Hi everyone, it's Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed, and this is day 7 of, what is this? Spicing up the dinner hour for your family in the midst of the quarantine. So today's idea is one that will work with any age, so I hope you'll try it. And it is one that is not my original idea. I found it on the internet, and it was a while back, or I'd be happy to share my my source, but I can't remember where I found it. But anyway, this is the ABCs of gratitude. So you're going to go around in a circle with your family. Person A is going to share something that they're thankful for that starts with A, next person B, and so forth. So share your ideas for spicing up the dinner hour, share this video with friends and family, and share your experiences of trying these ideas. Thanks so much, and we'll see you tomorrow.